Hello, Booster here. Today we will be opening up some Throne of Eldraine pre-release kits. A pack. And if I get any good pulls, we'll buy 2 packs. And if we get 2 good packs, we'll buy 4 packs. If we buy 4, okay, that's going crazy. Anyways, I hope you enjoy the video. If you do, subscribe for more epic content, like the video if you enjoy it, and comment in the comments below what your favorite card is I pull. If you want to become a patron and support the channel more, link is in the description. Here we go. Try and find a good place to do this. Don't play with bounce cards, kids. It is dangerous. Very dangerous. Okay. Now what we're hoping to pull out of this is Planeswalkers, Murderous Riders, Fill-in Champions, Tour Brands, basically red-black cards, and Planeswalkers. Also some epic tokens would be amazing. If we do pull some epic tokens, we'll give a yip yip hooray. But let's see what we pull. Alright, took the promo code out, it's right here. Show you guys that'll be the last thing you guys see. We got a blue dice. Very, very nice. An empty box now. Ooh, there's a symbol in the bottom. Nice. Okay. And we got a little pamphlet. I think it comes with a little poster. Ooh. High King tells you how to stack your deck. Very nice, very nice. Alright. There is 6 cards, dice. This is the dice. Obviously, let's see the symbol. Hello, it has the symbol of Throne of Eldraine. Very nice, very nice. Alright, so let's go through the 6 packs, see what we can pull. And we'll put this right here for more challenging content. Okay, first pack we got Ogre, Visions, Raider. Goodness, this card is focusing. Okay, Forrest Young, Carver, Mentor, Paladin. Ooh, Door of Remind, I can use that. We'll put the card that we're going to use in our standard decks right there. Door of Remind is always good. Rack. Block, Fables, Knight, and the rare is Sundering Stroke for 7. Sundering Stroke deals 7 damage divided as long as you choose 1, 2, or 3 targets. If at least 7 red mana was spent to cast a spell, instead Sundering Stroke deals 7 damage to each of those permanents. Wow, if you play a mono red deck, that's really good. And we got a Mountain as land and advertisement for the token location. Okay, moving on to pack number 2. We got Veil, Knight, Opt, Witch, Spider, Ritual, Barrage, Collector, Sheep, Gargoyle, Four-Mile Knight, Wheel, Righteousness, and the rare is Wicked Wolf for 4. When Wicked Wolf enters the battlefield, it fights up to 1 target creature you don't control. Sacrifice a food, put a +1/+1 counter on Wicked Wolf. It gains indestructible till end of turn. Tap it. Then we got a swamp as the land, and a adventure on an adventure for the token location. Okay, moving on to pack number 1, 2, 3. Hope everyone's day is going good. Possibility. Squire, Tiny, Squire, Noble, Soul, Fling, Cinderflocks, Witch's Cottage. It's also a good card to use in Standard. Rider, Ranger, Suit, Gift, Piper of Swarm, cost 2. Rats you control a menace. Tap 2, create a 1/1 black rat creature token. Tap 4, sacrifice 3 rats, gain control of target creature. Very nice. We got a swamp and a food token. Ooh, yes, food. Reminds me, I'm hungry. Just kidding. When you're playing Magic and you start getting hungry, you start eating your food tokens. Yeah. That would be amazing. Okay. I think this is one of the most overpowered sets besides War of the Spar. With all the inventions and stuff. Alright, we got Guided Mother, Together, Paladin, Acolyte, Thorns, Cauldron, that's Cauldron, Drawbridge, Beanstalk, Borrow Riches, Claim the Firstborn, Ranger, Hedgehammer, and the rare is Echoline Contender for 3. When Echoline enters the battlefield, if you control another knight, look at the top 5 cards of your library. You may reveal a knight, aura, equipment, or legendary artifact card from among them and put it into your hand. Put the rest of them in the bottom of your library in random order. Very nice. And we got a mountain and a human token. Whew, human tokens. Alright. That was pack 1, 2, 3. Go. No, 1, 2, 3. 4. That was 4. Yeah, this is 5. It's been a while since I counted to 5. Okay. We got Errant, Visions, Raider, Squire, Noble, Rider, Walker, Mirage, Princess, Sleep, Ravens, Burning Yard Trainer, the rare is Midnight Clock, cost 3, add mana, put an hour counter on Midnight Clock. At the beginning of each upkeep, put an hour counter on Midnight Clock. When 12-hour counter is put on Midnight Clock, shuffle your hand and go into your library and then draw 7 cards. Exile this card. Very weird card, but nice for graveyard. We got an island and a On Your Adventure token thingy. Majiggy. Moving on to the last pack before revealing the promo card we got. Okay. So far we've only gotten lands. Any good decks. Alright. Upside down here. Upside down. There we go. Alright, we got Raider, Slipper, Cow, Scavengers, Funeral, Pair, Griffin, Tracker, attraction. Dummy. Ooh, that looks cool. A Flaxen Intruder. A Wild. A Lambert Smasher. And a Mythic Rare. Cost 4. At the beginning of your upkeep, choose one at random. Create a red and white creature token with those characteristics. 3/1 Human Warriors Trample and Haste. 2/1 Human Cleric with Lifelink and Haste. 1/2 Rogue with Haste. When this creature enters the battlefield, it deals 1 damage to any target. Very nice. We pulled a Mythic. We got a Force and a Boar token. Now, I don't think we pulled anything too amazing, so I don't think we may not do a second pre-release kit opening. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more epic content. And this video has been brought to you by your boy, Booster Beast.